Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel where I talk about business, digital skills and how to make money online. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you 7 AI side hustles that you can sell on Fiverr. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please turn on the notification icon so you'll be notified on any time I upload a new video. So let's get right into this video. The first thing on my list is creating AI pictures. A lot of people want these AI pictures because it gives that perfection. They want to use it on their social media, as their profile. They want to use it on even their LinkedIn profile. A lot of people want to use these AI images. You can as well create a gig on Fiverr offering that services. You are going to make a whole lot of money when you do that. But this particular gig is not yet saturated. A lot of people are not into it yet. People just post it on their social media platform. But when you get to Fiverr, you'll see that it's just few people that is offering that service. If you don't know how to create your first gig on Fiverr, kindly watch my video where I give a step-by-step tutorial how you can create your first gig on Fiverr. Creating AI pictures will give you a lot of money on Fiverr because a lot of people are searching for who will help them do that. They don't have an idea on how to create their own personal AI picture. So they go on Fiverr searching for who can help them create this AI picture. So all you have to do is just to learn how you can actually create AI picture, and it's very easy. There are lots of apps like the Remini app and some apps that you can use to create a perfect AI picture, and when you offer that service on Fiverr, it makes you a whole lot of money. So this is one gig you want to look into. So let's get to the second AI side hustle that you can offer on Fiverr, which is proofreading, editing and rewriting AI written content. Let's use ChatGPT for example. When I see a content written by ChatGPT, I know because there are certain words you will see like seamless, digital era and some kind of familiar words. I'm not saying those words are bad, but these words are so familiar that they use it over and over and over again in all the generated content that you use. So what you do, you offer that service that you can help them proofread, rewrite and edit AI content so that it can look original. This is a gig you want to offer on Fiverr. You want to help people proofread, edit and rewrite their AI written content. So let's move to the third one, which is AI artwork. A lot of people need this AI artwork to beautify their homes or even their offices. So you can offer this service on Fiverr and it's going to make you a whole lot of money. There are apps that you can use to design this artwork. You don't have to be an artist able to create an artwork. All you have to do is to learn these skills, and it won't take you more than a week to do this because you are not the one doing it yourself. There are apps that can help ease your work and make this thing very, very easy and faster for you. Fourth one is managing social media account. There are lots of businesses that have social media accounts. There are a lot of individuals that don't have the time to reply to their messages, to reply to comments. So these are things you can do. You can help them create content for their social media accounts. And when creating this content, there are a lot of AI tools that you can use to make your work very fast. Managing social media accounts is a skill that will make you a whole lot of money on Fiverr because everyone has a social media platform in this era. Businesses want someone to help them manage their social media accounts. They just want people who can help them manage their social media accounts, especially for those who are very busy and they need their social media account to be active. So this is one gig you can offer or one skill you can offer on Fiverr. If you don't know how to create your gig on Fiverr, I'm going to put the link on the description box below where you can watch my video on how I talk about how to create your first gig on Fiverr. So let's move to the fifth one, which is AI voiceover. You can actually create AI voiceover using certain apps. You don't have to do these things yourself. Like you don't have to start these things from scratch. You can create this AI voiceover using certain AI voiceover tools. Voiceover tools will help ease your work. So these are services you can render on Fiverr as a side hustle that can make you money. So all you have to do your research, look for these AI tools that can create voiceover, practice it, learn how they work, and you start offering this service. You don't have to spend much time when you are learning these things. You just need a minimum of 2 to 3 days to be able to learn how these things work. Then you start offering this service. So that's it for AI voiceover. So let's move to the sixth one, which is copywriting. What's copywriting? Copywriting is the ability for you to write copies that convert or brings in sales. That's what copywriting is. So you can offer this service on Fiverr And you don't have to write this sales copy or this written content yourself. There are different platforms that you can use to write this copy, like copy.ai. You can even use ChatGPT to write this content. All you have to do is to get the right prompts on how to get these things done. So this platform can help ease your work. These AI platforms will ease your work and make your work faster. So you can go on Fiverr, you create that gig on copywriting, you start making your sale. That's how it works. Let's move to the seventh one, which is comment writing. Comment writing has to do with you writing comments, maybe on blogs, on social media platform, to help whoever wants this comment build traffic to their site. You can offer this comment writing skill on Fiverr. Look out for people who are looking for comment writers on their blog, most especially for blog. People really need that. So you can streamline this comment writing for blogs or social media platform like TikTok, Twitter, Facebook. So all you have to do is to understand how these things work. Hope this video was helpful. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.